Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to activate AT&T Prepaid SIM. So first you just need to search for AT&T Prepaid SIM activation on your Google search engine, and you will find these two results here. So you can just go to the activate your prepaid phone, so you can just simply click on it, and from here you will find some instructions that how you can activate your account in AT&T. So make sure that you are able to create an account on AT&T. Then here you will find both your SIM kit or phone at a store other than AT&T. So they will actually help you to activate your prepaid service on your phone. So you can just simply click on get started, and after that you will find this activation page where it asks for activate new prepaid account that already have an AT&T prepaid number and just switching device. Then here you can find that how many, it asking that how many lines are you activating today. So you can select 1, 2, 3 and up to 5. So I'm going to select 1 and simply click on continue. After that you will find device info here that you just need to enter the device info like ICC ID or SIM number and the EID number. So here if you are finding the if you are searching for a SIM number or ICC ID, then you can simply click on where do I get it, and here you'll find in your device. You just need to go to settings, then go to general, then in about section you will find ICC ID number, and in sometimes it is in status, so you can just go to the status. Then or at a white label on your device packaging, in your device packaging or the box you will find a white label where you will find IMEI number, and under that you will find ICC ID number. So you have to enter that ICC ID number, or in your or if you are searching for SIM number, then you can find it on your SIM card SIM kit, actually activation kit, where you will find the EMEI number, and under that you will find ICC ID number also. So you can just enter it. Now from here, if you are searching for IMEI number, so I have already shown you, you also can dial *#06# and you will find your IMEI number. Or otherwise you can just search for on your packaging, or you can search it on your about section, or in about section and status section, where you will find the IMEI number of your device. Then you can enter the service zip code, where are you from where you are taking the service. So you have to enter that cities or the locations zip code, and then you have to enter the EID number. You just need to enter the EID number. You can find it in the level of your packaging. You will find the EID number also, or you can just dial for *#06# and you will get it. Now the IMEI number I already show you how you can get this, or the zip code actually. Now after that you just need to complete more 2 more steps. After completing these steps, now here is the rest of the steps that you just need to activate a device. You can just select activate one device or activate 2 or more devices. From here you will find this type of interface. You can, if you want to activate one device, you can simply click on activate one device, or if it's multiple, then you can just go with the second option. Now the step 5 is here, that select this plan under the desired rate plan. Select the checkbox to accept the service agreement and then select continue. So you have to confirm with their this terms and services, and you have to click on continue. Then enter your enter and confirm your email address, then select continue. Then select the payment method. From the drop down you can go with your credit card or debit card, or you can just select the AT&T prepaid retail card, so refill card actually. So you can just enter the credentials of your credit card or debit card, then you can just complete the payment process and you can just purchase the plan, the prepaid plan for your SIM card. Then you just need to enter the request the payment information before purchasing the plan from the AT&T, like your personal details. Then you just need to view your new phone number and then reset your phone number. or registered your phone number actually. Then you will find a welcome message or text message on your messaging application. Then you have to enter a new password, set a password. It could be a 4-digit pin. Then you have to submit it and select OK to set up a phone pin number. So it will just secure your plan. Then you have to enter some personal information like your name, your email address, your city and address, and then you have to confirm your email address, and you can just review your account by this account summary section, where you will find the details about your plan that you currently purchased on AT&T. And you can also say the date, the submission date, the purchase date or the expiry date, and also the SIM status. So that's how you can just simply purchase or buy or activate the AT&T SIM card on your mobile device. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.